gets on plants, maybe even artificial things on your table. Well, we're going to talk about a really great tool that will keep you organized and keep your back patio or front patio clean. Hi, I'm Lorraine Brock, professional organizer and owner of a company called Get Organized, where we go into your home and your office and get you totally organized. But for those that are on Tip Tuesday, like today, my job is to give you a tip on getting organized with your home, business, or life. So let's get started. I want to show you something that I actually love and use myself. It is a tool that helps me do a quicker job of cleaning up when I want to go out on my back patio or when company is coming over, and it makes it really easy. So let me share my tip. This is my tip right here. The dustpan I don't use really too much. Actually, this came in a set. But the most important part of this is this. It is some kind of wisping brush. These are, you can find this complete set at IKEA, but you can probably pick one up at Walmart or any type of cleaning supply aisle at a store, broom aisle, they will have it. This is really good. Now you want to keep this in some kind of container on your back patio so this doesn't get dusty. But what I found is, for example, we have cushioned outdoor furniture. And when the lawn guys come, it stirs up the dust. It stirs up the grass, right? Or we cannot use our back patio for a few days. And all of a sudden we go out and there's little leaves and little bitty tree stuff on our cushions. The quickest way to do that and really be organized and have the tools you need is having one of these close by. Don't keep it in the house. Keep it outside with your patio furniture. And again, keep it in something protective. So I just brought in one of our cushions from the back patio, and it's really great. You take a seat, you take a surface. You can even do this on a hard surface, but it really works great on the material. It actually is getting off lint. I see some other things that were here. And you brush it off really, really quickly without having to go like this and trying to pick off things. It's just an easy, quick way to be organized and also to keep your patio furniture rather clean. So use this. Another way I use this too is I have some artificial plants on my back porch that I keep year round to bring a little bit of greenery into the look even during the winter time. I will do the same thing with the plant. Periodically, I'll take the plant and I'll just brush off the leaves, getting the dust and so forth off of it, and it's looking fresh again. So I bet, and I can't really say for sure, but I bet this whole set cost me under $5, probably more like $3, something like that at IKEA. Such a cheap idea. Now you can get a brush like this, or it can be more of a whisk brush, which is more completely straight, and it would have straight bristles on it like this. Either one would work great, but make sure, again, you keep it in something so it doesn't get dusty. So that's my tip today to keep you guys organized with helping keeping your patio furniture and items clean. So let's talk about what we are giving away this month. And every month we give something away. And this month is going to be a canvas bag. And this canvas bag I've been showing it all month of April. And this is your last time to enter in this. It's a really great bag, very big, sturdy, lined inside. How do you win it? You take a comment, make a comment of any type of comment on any of our Tip Tuesdays below for the month of April. So not only this one, but anyone in the past on the month of April. Any kind of comment, share will get you into the drawing. So some people can be entered like, I don't know, like 6 times. I mean, it's really cool. We will announce the winner of the bag next week on Tip Tuesday and also show you what we're giving away for the month of May. Pretty simple. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next week on Tip Tuesday to give you organizing advice on your home, business, and life. Have a great day. Bye-bye.